Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix QuickShare not working in any Samsung phone. If you are using any Samsung phone and your QuickShare is not working, so let's see how can you fix that issue. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, go for connecting devices and you will get QuickShare here. If you can't get it, just go for search and here simply search for QuickShare. Just tap on it and you will get the QuickShare option. So you just have to select the QuickShare and here simply tap on quick share and you'll get the all quick share settings, and from here you must have to enable quick share. So let's see how. Just tap on who can share with you, select that option, and here you can easily select only contacts if you want, but I'm going to select everyone. Just tap on done option. In this way you can easily enable quick share, or his second option, which is allow sharing over internet. If if it's not possible to share using a direct connection, share will continue over the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. So you must have to enable that settings. For enabling that setting, you must have to enter your Samsung account if you have. So in this way, you can easily fix if your picture is not working in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.